Hi, I am Narupama, mother of a 2.9-year-old baby, a teacher, and a PhD scholar. In this video, I will tell you about what you can do to introduce books to your babies and what are the tried and tested big no's that take children away from books. Start early as when your baby is 1 month old. For 1 to 2 month old babies, black and white books can be taken. Post that researchers have shown that babies can see colors. And remember, it's never too late to start reading books with your babies. Take clear background picture books. You can start with one picture, one page book. Although I've personally focused on storybooks over any ABC 1 to 3 or 1000 word book, etc. For I found stories give context to talk to the child and engages the baby meaningfully. Take picture books. Either 100% pictures on one page or 95% of the pages pictures and one or two line text is there. One thing that you must practice is to keep books in the reach of the baby. Don't make book reading only a mama papa thing. Give books in baby's hands. Your baby should be the owner of the book, not you. Read, reread, repeat n number of times the same page for as long as your baby wants.
Snake. It's a snake. What, baby? Sun.
Ask questions in between. Don't feed answers. Respect the child for his or her replies. Don't immediately jump to correct your child.
Will a caterpillar please come out? Ask the caterpillar to make its way out, Aru. Please, caterpillar, push it hard and come out.
A few don'ts regarding book reading to your baby. First, you don't need to read page by page. Read as the baby guides you. Don't react when a baby tears a book. Either invest in cloth books, board books, or stick story pictures on your wall. Touching, flipping, tearing, listening to the sound of the pages are the ways a child explores any book. And please don't praise your baby in front of others, for he or she chose to read a book over any toy or mobile. Don't hype it, it is a very normal thing to do. And last but not the least, don't stop reading books to your babies if people around you mock at you by saying things like, he's too young to read. Oh, do you want to make your baby an IAS officer? Oh, why are you putting so much pressure on your baby? Remember, books are really important for your baby's mental and emotional health. These 10 minutes of reading a book with your baby will not just build a beautiful connection between both of you, but also will help in developing speech and strengthening imagination. Stories are the soul of our mind and heart.
Up a caterpillar. Look at the caterpillar. Louis, caterpillar. Touch the caterpillar, Babu. Ah.